Throughout the past 3 decades, the ag industry has seen an influx of companies using bacterial and enzyme products on American farms.
There are several different fermentation companies that produce a generic blend of bacillus or enzymes, and then they sell the same blend of microorganisms to different segments. Well, the companies that sell these products really don't have any knowledge of microbiology, so they rely on the fermentation companies for tech support, but the fermentation companies really have absolutely no idea what these products are doing in the field.
Regardless of its marginal success, many small and regional companies still rely on these old microbial technologies.
Well, first of all, with the projected growth in the world's population, producers are continually challenged to grow more food on fewer acres. Secondly, as suburban populations encroach on rural areas, livestock producers need their operations to become more invisible as it relates to odors. Agricultural microbiology is a very broad term. It can apply to decomposing crop residues, increasing crop yields, inhibiting fungal pathogens on plants, or even the use as manure additives and silage inoculants, just to name a few. There's also uses as probiotics in animal feed.
Located in the Midwestern United States, Direct Biologicals designs custom enzyme and microorganism products for livestock and agriculture.
The majority of what we do comes out of the scientific technical papers regarding manure treatment or biofertilizer applications from around the world. We then take that global knowledge and apply it in the field. With Direct Biologicals, we not only are doing the research, having select strains fermented, we're actually going out in the field and working with producers. We're doing root digs, we're checking out the soil, and we're also doing tissue analysis to see what different elements are being utilized. At this company, we feel that complacency is dangerous, and we are constantly manipulating our formulas to make better products and be on the cutting edge of technology.
As opposed to most companies that provide a one-dimensional product for several different applications, Direct Biological solutions are specialized to ensure microbial packages are targeted for each specific task.
Utilizing the research that's been done around the world from these different technical papers, what we discovered is there is an additive effect to adding multiple strains, and these strains work synergistically together. So what we'll do is we'll contract with different fermentation companies to have different organisms cultured, and then we take them, blend them together, and we take that product to the field.
Direct Biologicals manure products enhance nutrient values by providing increases of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus.
The Sulfadox product, we've used like additives in the past. Those products, I feel, from a production standpoint, have been geared towards the manure liquefaction, the benefit for the farming application and the nitrogen level for the fertilizer, and not so much for the environment, for the worker in the pig, the production facility. I think that's where Sulfadox has a real leg up. It is good on the side of production for the farming aspect, but where I notice the biggest influence for our operation is inside the building with the operation for the people, the pigs, the environment within the building.
In addition, the company's crop product, Nutricycle, substantially increases yields while providing cold temperature protection and drought resistance.
First used Direct Biologicals in 2009. Prior to that, I've known Matt from back in my hog production days, where he'd come out and help us assist us in some lagoon and pit problems we may have been having. But at the end of 2009, I seen such great results, I really got excited about it. I mean, we were seeing up to 35, 36 bushel difference in corn, anywhere from 10 to 35 in that area. So it was absolutely great. There's been several years we've trialed it side by side, and it's just always done great for us.
One of the most rewarding things for us is to see our clients and producers be successful. Whether it's a pork producer who increases his nutrient values of nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus by 20% and gets an 8-to-1 return on investment for using Sulfadox, Or a crop farmer that gets 20 bushel an acre on corn or 7 bushel an acre on soybeans above and beyond what he would have produced if he wasn't using our product. That's what we're about. That's our goal.
With compounding crop yields year after year, Direct Biologicals sees a future in improving yields and providing a better return on investment for producers.
Our goal is to make a difference in the marketplace with the tools Mother Nature has provided to us without the use of chemicals.
At the end of the day, what we have in mind are our customers. And we want everything we do to produce a return on investment. So if producer A spends $1 with us, we want him to make 4 on top of what he spent.
When a customer with asthma calls in and says, thank you, that he doesn't have to use a respirator in his hog barn anymore because he uses Sulfadox, that feels really good. Or when our first crop producer is up over 50 bushels an acre of corn because he's applying Nutracycle on his farm. We know that we're making a clear mathematical financial difference for him and for his family. That is our goal.